Hi, good morning. Yes, sweetie. Yeah, I'm going to Bali Cafe 3. Mm, yeah, it's in Al Ittihad Street. Yeah, yeah, they have a great offer. So I'm going to check what the offers they have. Yeah, Al Ittihad Street near to. Let me check. It's Al Mulla Plaza. Yeah, it's near to Al Mulla Plaza. No, no, it's too near. Yeah, yeah. Come and let us see what they have. Yeah. Don't be late, okay? I'll be waiting for you. Morning. Good morning.
How
Huh?
are you?
Good. How are you?
Good, good.
This is the first time.
You came here,
Yeah, yeah,
really?
yeah,
So we have offer in the morning. It's like we have different flavors, your favorite drink,
yeah.
sandwich, popcorn, only for 33
Actually, I'm
dirhams.
coming for this offer. I saw
Really?
your, yeah, yeah. I
Yes,
saw your
thank
post.
you.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
And by the way, we are giving a loyalty card, which
yeah.
will give you every 7 visit free.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, it's like a jungle. It's wow.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah,
it's nice.
yeah.
Okay, have a
Wait.
seat and we'll leave.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, dear. Thank you.